Curry. Yeah.
Yeah, Parry. Yeah, auntie
Long
back.
time I'm not see you.
Auntie the back in St. Mary again, you know. A long time I don't see my face and things. But we still in our place. A whole heap of rain in our country. But we are fighting issue, you know. We could give thanks and praise to the Most High. Yeah, Rastafari.
I remember much more, you know. Water depend with curry. The water rough. Me and eat cane, me just reach here so. I'm not tarry. I get cane, man them a run side night. But the sun out. But you know say it not go stay out for long, you know. Me look on the cloud, it not stay out for long. Here water depend with. Water like trouble. Them have the regular rain for St. Mary, you know.
Yes,
Regular rain, them on a flood rain, a full regular rain them time of year, what? Whatever food and red pop in curry.
Everything gone.
Everything gone. A renter come home.
A renter.
Rent and catfish, rent and corn pork, rent and cabbage.
So where the dread there? Since renter there?
But I'm here and I'm giving thanks. Me take a little fast run, come and me get piece of cane and me I go and eat. I come and carry so. Me move around. So me show you how it cook. No cooking now go on today. Weather. So Parry, me run a back here, you know, in the back party and me look over gully over there. So I wait for the weather. We are go over there, go over gully there. We are go clean up over gully. Me have that in the making to go across the gully. And you can see a pure bush and sit me a look on. We are clean up over there, get some farming done. What if a farmland we have over there? And something. See in curry?
Yes, man.
We have put in some crop over there.
Yeah, man.
Oh no, say Parry, you put in some crop and
Man.
yeah, man. So I stand up here and I look across and I say, no sir, we have to go do something over yonder there. So comment and tell me what you think. Because I can't have my kitchen there, so when I come and I look through my kitchen there, I look past so bush.
That's true.
Because them place there in a Parry, if you try lighten up, because when light gone in a curry,
A judgment.
you can't hold the darkness, you know.
Yes, man. Yeah,
So
man.
we want the place lighten up. But we are waiting for the weather, because nothing can go on in no curry. Pure weather.
True.
Can't clean up the way I know Parry.
That is so
Pure
true.
weather. So, but there so me I give thanks. Nothing no way worse, everything still copacetic. We just have to wait with work with the weather. You know?
Yeah.
We just have to work with the weather. But we'll get there. We have work with the weather and the pandemic, but we'll get there. See, every minute you see the sun come out, it dark up. The sun come out, it dark up. The sun come out. And you see me wear my hat coming out, the sun will come out like a curry. And when it dark up, I still have my hat and all of that. So.
Yeah.
Then I go and look around and see what going on. The mosquito them have wet me too.
But
Yeah,
like,
so next clip Parry. Say Parry, see, down at the liquor. You know down here so well. Rain man, one nice banana this you know. Want catch. They know she say they want catch. Nice banana. All this now ready till all March, you know. Them a season a banana take long with the whole rain in a Parry. Banana and planting take long for you. Look like the water down the gully, they take time and recede. Kind of pack up the liquor so go on a liquor way. Apple blossom, the blossom, them a blossom again, Parry. What happened now, you know? This rain where you see we get, it has broken the drought. So the crops them are going to go back because this is the regular time now for apples starting to blossom. Our Jamaican apples, so you can see. You see the tree? Shoot them up camera, girl. You see it? So this all the even though the rain falls, so it break the drought. So the crop them are go back to the normal, you know, bearing period and all of that. Because normally when we come up, I can see apple with you never apple time. So yeah, banana always they are beer and me have some little part one at the back there we kinda but me soon set them up back at the rain and them land here some kind of soft land. So you can see say everywhere that's grow up. You see say me carry up my big tank from town it there, so me have to have whole heap of things to do and to set up a catchment for the house and all of them something there. So this is what is happening. Everywhere just grow up in a bush. Nice clean prettiness not there again. The rain fall and everywhere grow up. So right now it doesn't make sense to start weeding up and clean up because as you weed up and clean up, you'll grow back and you have to pee and nobody now do nothing for you for free. So I wait till the rain halt tickle. So I get some man and start weed up at the place and you know. Olivia them now weed it, so right now I feel like me a cut cause about 1 o'clock now.
1:30,
1:30 and the time chilly. So Parry, not much now go in the country, you know, so it's just rain and everybody staying and who can come out, run out, look, do look something. So basically that I go on now. So we now we soon in the next clip. And we way back in the city now and see we drive a different route. Whole heap of 40 them cross the road. All them 40 in here, you know. Parry them they dry up when we just started coming here. So then when everybody gain back their momentum and I run cross the road. See all one big I wish I go down come Uncle Murphy. Nice baptism all around there. So when we used to be a picnic right around there, so nice deep baptism all right around here. So see the water? Yeah. Nice deep hole. Yep. Baptism, whole heap of baptism. Before they then get back. Yeah. And they dry up. Tell us that the rain drop your Parry, the rain wrap up a St. Mary. Still falling hard. We are on the way down. So we are on different route, you know. So as we go along on the journey, we know we sure no want to go on because the road them bad door. Ford in a run across the road. Water there now, man. Water back up here now. Water back up here now. Hey, Parry, we meet up on Brockway. Landslide, 3 tear down. A slide that the dirt they just slide down, you know. So in I chuck them up, put it so right here, so now you find, so we. Oh. Yeah. You know, so I want them in our community. I chuck man if you come out a good thing have him in so. But when we was passing here, this man that never come down. Slide down, you know. So we meet up on the little delay Parry, truck come down in the road and the truck man having last. Him having machete. And he come out and him try clear the way that him can pass. That was a close one door, not true. Suppose it didn't come down when any vehicle come. That was really close. So that means the earth was well saturated and it just slide down. Eh? When we were coming here this morning, we did see that little slide down. We did see it there?
No, it wasn't.
Chuckman I say come now, no do no more. Somebody else do it. I bet you when you come back up here, they so same way.
Yeah, they're not them.
Them not come out in our community now. The amount of salmon we up here. The amount of what you call them, so the power salmon we up here.
Man.
I bet you when we are anytime we come back up here, how much you have to lose? Parry, I am going to we have to pass this way. I bet you when we are come back up here. Next week or so or some other time. If I even that alone come, it's still there. I guarantee you. I've been machete with him.
Tear up on there.
You know, you tell you see it there? Tear, you know. Kingston. And we just are showing the cows them just grazing like there. Weather turn out not too bad in the afternoon, gentlemen. Yeah man, whole lot of cows right there, so I graze. I work for money, what a cattle that you know.
A young cow.
All of them young, everybody young, a young cow them. Young cow them. Such a beauty, such a beauty. Would you like them? Oh, you better look so bang, you. And see that that's a grazing. And what kind of fire that down there, so? You don't see it? So we're on our way back in. So it's just nice. The sun is nice. When we were coming this morning, it was all rain. Nice flat right there, so don't it? Wow, right there so nice here? Over there so nice. I wish part of there when I place a name that. Oh, look like them have some property, big property back down there, so them have chicken coop. And so you see it, Uncle Murphy? Yeah, maybe they know what that they must see a bun something nice so down there. So we are going towards Riversdale now. Anyway, I think we are going towards Riversdale now. Analyst this.
No man,
yeah, you have to say almost Riversdale we at now. Family. So let's talk you know a little you know, little landscape on our way back in. But it's a beautiful afternoon coming in. Uncle Murphy are taking time and are coming. Yeah. I'm going to go garage. I eat I eat fried chicken, I have a juicy fry. I feed my face to come. Camera girl, so she come fear. Uncle Murphy and Dad no one. They want red pea soup. They want homemade red pea soup for a lady cook. In my way home, on Mandela Highway coming in, we're near it, we're almost in the city now. Beautiful evening in the city here. This morning, for the fall of the weather, we would leave town. I mean, after run, go deal with a little emergency again. I St. Mary, so it's a beautiful evening coming in. It's really pretty. So I make the best of it. I'm going now, I'm going to go hold a shower. And I think I am gonna get a cup of tea. I'm just gonna take it easy for the rest of the evening. Thanks for staying with me. It wasn't much, it wasn't no activity too much about St. Mary, because the rain and everything, and you know, all like that. So see the road look now. Road easy going now because the work, the evening time traffic not start as yet. Taking our time cruising in. Thanks for the love and support. Thanks for everything. And try remember, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Remember to make sure you are subscribed. And when you do subscribe to our channels, remember to hit the button, leave us a comment below, and all of that.